In this video I will show you how to become police within Emergency Hamburg. Now this is actually very easy, so let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is to open the map by either pressing on the map itself or by pressing on M. And as you can see, at the bottom of the map you will see the police station. As you can see, tap on that to set basically the direction to that police station. And this way you know how to ride towards it. Oh, as you can see, there spawned the car. But here is the police station. As you can see, this is where you can become a policeman. Now what you need to do is you need to enter this building. As you can see, and here you see this man. So you see this man, and you see E and then police shift. Then of course you need to press E, and as you can see here you can select a department. So you can either select patrol police, traffic police, or SA key or undercover police, but those two are from the Game Pass, so you do need to pay Robux for that, but these are free. However, if you want to become a traffic police, you do need to have a total of 800 XP minimum. So you can just select this one if you haven't played this before. Patrol police, for example, as you can see the information, patrol police, information, to enter shift again, blah, 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 payment multiplier. So the more you play, the more XP you earn, the higher payment multiplier you get. As you can see, conviction points, experience, blah blah blah. Just press on start shift, and as you can see, now you are a policeman. Now what you can do is you can tap on this little icon, clothing icon over here, and you can turn off this hat. Yeah, in my opinion that looks a bit better, but that's of course personal preference. He is shooting, and on the left side you see all of your notifications, so all of your calls, incoming calls. For example, the farm shop has been robbed, and when you tap on that you will see basically a route to that robbery. But that is it. When you go into this building, as you can see the lockers, here you can basically equip different items. You can refill your guns, tasers, etc, etc, just like that. And when you press tab, you can see your inventory, and then you can select a gun. And right here, with vehicles over here, you can spawn your car. Again, the more XP you gain, the better cars you basically can spawn. Just like this one, for example, or this one. Then tap on spawn vehicle, and as you can see, now you can spawn this car. Enter this car. Maybe zoom out a bit by pressing O, and you can turn on the sirens, of course, by pressing F and then R or T. So those are two different sirens, and if you turn on your siren, you won't get fined due to a speed violation if you drive through hearts, for example. But that is really nice. You can also use the quick radio option to basically request backup, give position, or say that you are en route. So yeah, en route to the call. You can also transmit, and you can basically chat with all of the police colleagues that are playing as a police right now. But that is basically it. Again, if you want to stop your shift, you go back to the police department, police station, then you go back to this man, and then what you basically do is you end your shift, and then you will get paid. Press on end shift, and then you will get paid. As you can see your duration, your earned experience points, your earned money, etc, etc. But note, after ending the shift, you have to wait 120 seconds before starting a new one. So keep that in mind. You can't switch all the time, or you can basically, but you do need to wait. That is basically it. If you have any questions, just ask me in the description or in the comments actually, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.